Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found a completely silent but so satisfying fidget.
I constantly need to be doing something with my hands, otherwise, my brain is going 1,000 miles an hour. This ONO original roller fidget is so incredible. It is made of this really unique pattern where it has these bumps and it rolls. It's made of silicone. I love that it comes in this really sleek little traveling case. I can keep it in my purse, my pocket, wherever I am. I can pull this out and silently fidget. So I can roll this between my palms, I can roll it around in one hand. It is just so unique and satisfying feeling. The ridges on it aren't overly sharp, but they really give you like a satisfying feeling, and it really helps me to sit and focus. I so appreciate the design of this fidget.
I think this is the perfect fidget because it is completely silent, it feels fantastic, and it is literally just hours of entertainment. I couldn't recommend it more, and that's my point of view.